Today, July 31, 2015, a very special day. Sake of saying that the last day in the month of July, and then at the final as it dey hot, not just for this week, but for this month before we enter the new month of August. My name na Ezugo Chokwodi, and as usual, I know say I know dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when sabi well as it take concern politics matter on top of Wazobia TV as it dey hot.
Good morning, our viewers, our people where they watch us right now, Nigerians where they watch us. Welcome to the last edition of that program, that Ogbonge program, as they heard that program where they sunshine out different political activities where they happen for both in Nigeria. Yes, we get one kind. This time, in fact, we're not going to even describe this person as heavy masquerade. He don't even pass the level of heavy masquerade. Don't go beyond heavy masquerade. If you get under any way, if you quantify him, they qualify him. Now the kind of way we're supposed to give this person, because this person na ultimate champion, na ultimate warrior, na everything if you call him. We'll get them for house. Chuku the get us, they take and introduce them. Yes, now you go do the special introduction, introduce this person. My name never still change. My name now Unkubi, and this now Ask It Dey Hot. As
Unkubi don't talk, I go clear my throat because visitor, you get the kind of visitor when go find you come. You self go respect yourself. Our Ogbonge visitor, August visitor in the month of July. Now no other but the talk person, national of the All Progressives Congress, Alhaji Lai Muhammad. Alhaji Lai Muhammad, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning and long time no see.
Long time no see.
Alhaji, welcome. That is we welcome you from the bottom of our belly, at least after the election. Thank God say they come visit us again, at least to tell Nigerians say see us as the country they move. So
yes,
at least
and thank them also say well done. Oh.
Yes.
Thank them for voting for us.
Yes. As usual now, Alhaji, we no go waste time at least. I know say you carry hand of that hand of change come meet us. Yeah. You go need to at least collect from the change man. That one now must still go collect.
We go collect plenty from the change because the change they very, very important. Yes. All of us need them. As we do every Friday, all the news story will happen over the week. We go rush them. We go do them quick today because we get questions and more questions when we say we go ask Alhaji Lai Muhammad, and based on say if you see him, you don't see President Muhammadu Buhari, he go answer all the questions, make all of us know say yes, so now the truth be this and nothing but the truth. On Monday we discuss all the story wey happen for Nigeria over the weekend, but we can't stop on top of one major story, and that story get to do with the meeting when we say Oga President Muhammadu Buhari go do with the reps of the All Progressives Congress that same Monday. And that meeting hold, and I go talk to the glory of God. Everything when they the National Assembly, we be like say K-leg enter, it don't settle. And at time to get what they call accelerated development to growth and expansion inside our Obodo, Nigeria. Now, what we discuss on Monday be that?
Yes, and on Tuesday, yes, based on what Chuku don't talk, we can based on say we don't hear rumors say yes, Oga Muhammad Buhari go meet with the members of the House of Rep over, that is APC members of the House of Rep over the issue, the small issue where they get. Yes, he can on Tuesday he can finally meet with them and he can tell them, see, look, young men, una then elect now to do it and to come represent people. Nobody to come they fight. They talk saying now they get issue over who go become leader and all that. So you can't tell us, make na respect and say also respect the position when I don't take up. And for that reason, may I do it, may I know as now take resolve this matter. Immediately, he just come, a man of action will know now, just come, talk come out under 20 minutes. And I think these people can't respect themselves, they can't do it in. We hear say yes, later on, they quickly address the matter, resolve them. That's what we'll talk about on Tuesday with that.
On Wednesday, we can't answer the question when some people they ask, say, this peace, when don't they inside National Assembly, so it go last. And we can't tell them, say, as everything don't settle, forward march, now your President carry the names of the new service chiefs, give them, say, oh yeah, make una approve am, make we dey move forward. And judging by all the things wey don happen for the National Assembly, the kind calm, the kind breeze when they blow them for there, all of us believe say na forward march na we dey go, so be that. Na wetin we discuss on Wednesday.
And on yesterday will be Thursday, we can't carry and go the educational sector. I want to say yes, and WAEC release statement talk say look, say the last WAEC where they write to say 19 states they owe their money, and how much will be the money they involve? 4 billion naira. Yes, and the spokesperson of WAEC will be Mr. Charles Egurudu. Come talk say, look, make them they plead to these people, make them give us our money so that we go fit they can pay people who also work. That is the supervisors and all those people who work during that time, they will fit pay them off. May also be in mind say, WAEC no be just Nigeria and this in our West Africa examination region. Now just now particular region of people they now organization where they got the particular region. And for that reason, make them do it, make them at least try pay the money. We also here say the governor of Zamfara State will be the chairman of the governors forum. Can also come out. That is Governor Abdulaziz Yari come and talk. Say look, say it gets some issue. Then one or two things where they go need to find out first before they go do it. Before they go say yes, okay, send our money, make una collect. Now what we'll talk about on Thursday. Yesterday be that.
Alhaji, you don't hear all these things when we discuss from Monday go reach Thursday. Yes. We go just want to make you, just go over and small before we can enter all the hot questions when we carry come. Say we go ask you when we say people don't send, give us for email and message, say make we ask the government of President Muhammadu Buhari. You go just chook mouth small for some of these questions.
The one where you discuss for Monday will be the meeting. Where President Buhari will get with member of the House. Me, I did there too. Okay. And now through you talk. You talk to us and like you say for Tuesday, you get the result. We respect ourselves. And everything they work very well for.
So everything that just they move forward like that.
Yes.
I don't know whether you go like talk about that WAEC own, because 19 states out of 36 when they owe. I be say if we place too much emphasis on education and we know if we pay WAEC money, you get the way when the thing they owe.
The thing be say I go appeal to all our governors. WAEC education, make them no play with that. They must pay this money, because we can't sit down and complain say quality of education no good, and we know they do the thing we feel do. So we beg them. We know they get challenge or they get problem too, but education, I think how much did they pay for WAEC? 4 billion. When you say 4 billion, divide by 19 states. It no be small. It no reach more than about million each. So make them please, make them biko, make them pay.
Alhaji don't appeal to them, just like me and Nkubi join hand, appeal to them yesterday in peace. As Alhaji don't come join the peace, everything don't set to be that. So Alhaji, today we go discuss questions and more questions. And if there one very important one, everybody they ask. They talk say on the 19th of July, our Oga Presido say in jet out, go United States of America. Some people talk say this visit is significant. That is, it is highly important because now Obama himself, President of the United States of America, now he talk say, I want to invite you specially. Say the invitation a special one. And the way when they treat Oga Presido, they keep him for Blair House, where they say
in the history of any Nigerian Presido, at least they can't put him for
Blair House. And the flag of Nigeria, they fly high. Everybody knows say August visit or they inside Blair House. But Alhaji, some people don't come talk say this visit. Say the way when America take, say even the foam when they give President Muhammadu Buhari may sleep on top, the thing too soft, then treat and where say America, it be like say monkey hand, they inside that visit. Say they won't collect something. I don't know, now people talk. So I say I go ask you, so that you, based on say you and President Muhammadu Buhari will be 5 and 6, you go answer the question for us.
Thank you very much. I think, like you rightly said, that visit, now wow. Never happened before. Why I say never happened before? Nobody say our president know they go America. But never happened before, say, within 2 months, where president enter, they go invite them.
Special invitation.
And why they do they say, they wonder, say, this man, why they said he get integrity. This man, we all Nigerians go vote for. I want to see the come and where he did. So in that respect, not special. When he get there again, it's special again be say he get there, now 5 ministers where then they line up. American ministers, 5 of them, where then they talk with. But the thing where we get back from that visit, he passed all that.
So advantage plenty.
Oh. Make we start with the economy. You know, say, President, he meet with what they call one Ogbonge Council. They call them Corporate Council for Africa and the Chamber of Commerce for US. He meet them. And 12 Ogbonge executive CEO of 12 major American companies meet with them. Waiting they come out. One group, they call them Baker Group. They say they don't see our president, they don't talk to him, a better man. They go come invest $4.2 billion. No be naira, no be million. $4.2 billion.
Then they go carry come chook inside Nigeria make
for
they grow.
Power and agriculture.
But this one no be just ordinary mouth.
No. See, the thing what we don't go do, they don't go say.
Okay.
But Alhaji, the visit wey they talk about, it dey beyond make we just say they bring in foreign investors come inside our country. But it get some trending, some issue wey dey on ground already. You understand? We dey on ground already. We say that one will never even resolve. And one of the major reasons where we feel say our president will go America now to also to make sure that you go fit establish that same unity we will be get with America. Establish so that thing will be our challenges, will be corruption and insecurity. They come back help us.
They come to that. Make we treat the economy first. And that's why important. Then, World Bank said they go give us small loan with small interest for $2.1 billion.
So if we do the addition now, the money don't increase.
That $2.1 billion. Now for the people who suffer Boko Haram, make the economy make them grow again. Again, at the end of the day, they agree say 20 companies from America will come on delegation, on trade mission to Nigeria, come see where they go, put money. Then the bilateral commission, which is the commission between Nigeria and America, the reviewer. So for economy, we score 100%.
For economy.
Corruption, what you talk about, that the thing where they like this president for. They know say the man, you know, go stomach corruption. So America promise, say, then go help us in two respects. One, we say all our ICPCO, EFCCO, police
judiciary,
then go arrange training, assistance and cooperation for them.
Sabi their work well. But they know the fear face.
Two, then give data and track, and you know this is what they call tracking. Now we say when you if you steal money for Nigeria, you put them for Oyibo land, then get method when they go track them.
They don't know who the
get the money and
so
where the
they
money
say
land.
all the people will steal our all money, then go help us track them, where that money they go bring and come back. We go use them to do road, use them to do hospital here.
Alhaji, make I ask this question. This one is very, very important. You don't talk about the economy, and it just be like say the economy now, make we just the wait, make everything set. Then we can't carry and enter inside corruption. We been hear one information say, going back as far back as 10 years, say 150, America, and they use them and talk about, say some kind people don't dip hand inside Nigeria money, carry over $150 billion for their own personal this thing.
Go save them for that side.
They come to say they go help us trace that money so that the thing go come back. But the question we come ask now be say, if for the past 10 years, people they chop money and America, maybe I not talk, they know say people they chop money, they no can't even do anything about it and can't they wait until 2015 before they come decide say, you get this kind of money, we go fit help and trace them. Why that delay?
If the America no say some people they steal our money, then put them for America, put them for Europe. But the people where they are now, the one where they steal, no go report thief to thief.
Okay. This is where you talk. At the time, they're not a report thief to thief.
So the thing be say, America now says, this one an honest man. If you report this thing to this man, you go do something about it. Make a give you small example. Before Buhari come, nobody knows say Nigeria liquefy natural gas, then they give dividend.
Not true.
Then they pay money. And the money they pay don't be small though.
Big money now.
For 2008, them pay Nigeria $4.8 billion.
$4.8.
$8 billion for dividend.
Go they cash me this money when you cost.
Nobody know where the money dey. Now the one where they pay last, nearly 2.1 billion. Buhari say, where money come from? Now for Nigeria, no, make you divide them. So now that one they say, this man, if we report the thief, he will catch them.
True.
That's why they do them now.
Alhaji again, another one when I go talk, the Attorney General of the United States of America, Loretta Lynch, he get one meeting when she do with President Muhammadu Buhari. They say Adams Oshiomhole, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, governor of Edo State, in there inside the meeting. And say the woman can't talk, say, they don't call name, but the woman use them and talk, say, one former minister of petroleum.
I mean, I don't know, say, the minister, but then say,
It's one former minister.
One
former minister. Now
he say he's still
one particular.
He say he make about $6 billion. I be no be so. Me too, I hear him. But you know, say me, I know the America. But the thing be say.
So, but if Governor Adams Oshiomhole if he use him and talk him, that's something where we say we supposed believe now. Because he no go just come and talk say that kind of thing.
So you think he dey lie?
No, I'm not saying he lie.
No, we don't hear him from the person we talk. I would also hear Adams Oshiomhole talk. But we don't also hear a response, a reaction. One of American officials, I mean, America don't come and talk, say, see, this thing where they talk, say them talk, say, no be like that, he be. So you know, say that to tell you,
so who can talk which one? Which one will go believe?
Who will accept it, their own?
Because one person talk, another person talk, this one talk. We want to know the real talker of the talk.
You see, the thing with me I see there, they say, if you tell me something, and you know what me can tell you, Kobe, and I tell you, Kobe, Kobe go no say now you tell me.
Okay. Not true. I like this.
So you go quickly say, but make we wait. The thing they come.
Everything they come small.
Come out.
This one we say our EFCC, ICPC, they will get better
function. That is from nowhere. They don't effectively function. But Alhaji, still on this same matter because look, we slightly come out from this thing. Before, make we also talk on because when
because we talk about security too because the man he bring something back for security.
We go enter into security, but me first ask this question. Before Oga Mohammed Buhari make that trip, we don't be here. This thing, one of U.S. official come and talk. Say, look, say then go try somehow, or rather they go try make sure say they enforce one particular thing on Nigerians, make them do it, make them approve to them. So our biggest fear that time, our Nigerians' biggest fear that time, say, Oga Mohammed Buhari, this trip where they work out, make sure say that trip, say, this issue.
And since people talk America and a country where we say nothing goes for nothing.
If you take this one and give you,
who could be ask Alhaji
the issue of gay issue, issue of gay, 14 years matter.
Me, I trust my president. We cannot be that one. What cannot be that one?
So if Obama carry the
question, go tell them when make them keep their money, you know, go do that one. You tell them, one place, this thing I
make now go that there.
Help us, this one, we could not support.
It's an aberration.
Where we come from, we know they do.
No, they do.
Straight.
No be matter.
So Alhaji, you don't talk. I don't know whether I go call this. I no go call this person your colleague. But most times, if you talk, in the talk, if in talk, you go just look, say, no, what are you talking?
My brother Metu.
Olisa Metu.
Oh, my brother now.
Your brother, I know say na your brother, depending on the mama side.
No, my brother.
Na your brother. Olisa Metu, he look the whole visit, the 4-day visit. He come look and come to say, from wetin he don check and balance, say the visit na exercise in futility. Say, he just be like, say, na holiday. Now, President Muhammadu Buhari go for when he carry plenty people. Say the kind son when they just go collect for USA, they just want to go collect different son. What do you think of this statement? Share truth there inside wetin you talk.
Chukudi, don't be me and you dey here. I tell you, say now 4 area we score for that visit. For diplomacy, we score. Because never before, within 2 months, they go invite president.
Special invitation.
Then when we get there, Obama himself, he said, this man will come, now honest man.
He use the mouth talker.
He said, now honest man.
That's 2-0.
Now man will sabi the thing where they do. True. He come here, ready, making safe in country, return peace and security. No president for Africa ever get that canteen come out from the mouth of Obama.
Of thanks from Obama.
No, endorsement.
Endorsement, vote of confidence.
You get that one. Two, I say, a man, because the economy, job for our Peking, the number one problem for Nigeria.
Very serious one.
He go there, he get commitment from America. Say they will come put their money here. Baker Group say they go bring $4.2 billion for agric, farming, for power. And you know, since we come, power don't regular.
Very true.
I will come back later. Then, we get loan again, make we help our poor brother. We war don't destroy them.
Alhaji, no verse, so no be say I collect this talk from your mouth. You don't give us the 4-0 when we say Nigeria
I never finish it.
You go need to relax.
As you don't score this
make you go drink water because you need enough energy to do it, to talk more.
So our people went there for us quickly. We get Alhaji Lai Mohammed, the talk person of the All Progressives Congress. And when I see, say, we dey fire the questions left, right, and center, and in they answer them. When we got this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it dey hot. We dey come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.